In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream using OBS Studio for beginners. We'll walk through installing OBS Studio, setting up a clean screen capture with your microphone, and making your first recording, the perfect foundation before you go live. Start by heading to the official OBS Studio website and choosing the download installer for your operating system. Pick the version that matches your system so you get the right drivers and performance optimizations. When the download finishes, open the installer. On Windows, that's the .exe file you just saved. In the Setup window, click Next, review the license agreement, and choose Install. Leaving the default program files location is recommended. It keeps everything organized and avoids permission issues. When installation completes, make sure Launch OBS Studio is checked, then click Finish so OBS opens right away. On first launch, OBS may prompt you with an auto configuration window. Choose Optimize just for recording, click Next, and then Apply Settings. This option gives you dependable video quality for screen capture and voice, which is exactly what you need to practice your stream setup without broadcasting live yet. You can always switch to streaming presets later in settings. Now let's add what viewers will see. In the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus icon and select Display Capture. Click OK to confirm. If you have multiple monitors, choose the display you want to show. You'll see a red outline in the preview. You can resize or reposition it by dragging the corners, but filling the canvas usually looks best. If you notice an infinite mirror effect, that's normal when capturing the same screen OBS is on. Just proceed as usual. Next, check your audio. In the audio mixer, make sure your microphone is active, talk into your mic, and watch the level meter move. Aim for peaks that reach into yellow without slamming into red to avoid distortion. Use the slider to adjust volume and mute any source you don't want captured, like system sounds, if necessary. When you're ready, click Start Recording in the bottom right corner. Do a quick test, navigate a few windows, and speak a sentence or two. This helps confirm your screen and audio are being captured properly. When you're done, click Stop Recording in the same spot. OBS saves recordings to your videos folder by default. Open that folder to review your test, check image clarity, and confirm that your voice is clear and synced. If you need to change the save location or tweak quality later, those options are in Settings under Output and Recording. That's it. OBS is installed, your display and mic are set, and you've recorded your first clip, laying the groundwork for confident streaming.